Hello everybody. It is, what time is it? Noon. It is noon. My house is pretty clean. My company left, my mom and dad left, and today is Easter. So I'm filming today for Easter. Excuse the hair. It's one of those situations where this morning it was 30 degrees and it's going to be, I think it said 70 degrees by the end of the day. Sun shining really good. I don't know if you can tell that, but it's very pretty outside. So I told my friend Danny, who came and got us to take us to the store, I said, I'm wearing a sweatshirt because it says beach. And I said, you know, it's summer, but yet long sleeves, which is winter. Because I'm confused about the weather. Happy Easter, guys. I've got some church stuff going here on my TV. Josh Franks is singing. Yes, we celebrate Easter. I've got Easter bunnies around my house. I don't know, can you guys see the garland on my fireplace? That was given to me by my really good friend Emma. This probably seems unusual for Easter, but I ran to the grocery store this morning and I bought Easter dinner. And so I'm going to cook it and we will eat later on this evening. So Kroger was having hams on sale. They were 99 cents a pound. You cannot beat that price. I'm just going to quickly show you the little bit of amount of stuff that I bought. And then we're going to get cooking and get Easter on the way. We're going to enjoy the front porch, and I'll show you guys. I took out my cushions and all that. I'm also going to show you guys my new back door that we had put in yesterday. Happy Easter to me. New back door. Love it. And so I'm going to share some things with you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. So happy Easter. Now let's show you what I bought from Kroger. Okay, here we go. I tried to pick up some Easter items, you know, what we're going to eat today, but also stuff that will go into the week. And they had some sales going on some things, so you'll see that I bought a few things in today's haul. So I really didn't want to spend a long time in the store. However, there was nobody in there early this morning, about 9 o'clock. It was a great time to go shopping. So I got some potatoes because I thought if anything fails, we can have baked potatoes this week. I got 2 things of the frozen Grand biscuits. I'm going to put those in the freezer. Thought about making those today, but actually going to make my beer rolls instead because they are really good. 2 things of cream of chicken soup. A thing of hash browns for my hash brown casserole. And I bought 2 hams. So we've got this one and this one. One was $7, one was $9. You cannot beat that. Those tomatoes right there came from Florida. That was not from here. And I've only got 3 left and they're so good. So I've got some mild cheddar cheese, stocked up on cheese. Got another thing of butter in case I need it. 2 things of taco seasoning. I got a thing of bacon bits, some sour cream, because we eat a lot of sour cream, so I just opted for the big one. These are my favorite greens. These are the seasoned greens. I got those. Bought a ginormous, I know what you're thinking, wow, that's a really big can of green beans. Well, I'm going to eat on these all week. I love them. Green beans, giant thing of chunky, thick and chunky salsa. This is the medium. And I found these, and I have been looking for them, but I found some pierogies. This is the family size bag. If you guys have never had a pierogi, get yourself some pierogies because these are so good. What is on the menu today? Well, we're definitely going to have a ham. One of these is going to go in the freezer. I'm going to make my beer rolls, hash brown casserole, green beans. I'm trying to think what else I'm having. I don't think I showed you these things here. So I got a couple things of cookies for dessert. These are chocolate chip and those are sugar cookies. I think Ron's dad's going to come over and eat with us, but I'm not sure. Depends on if he feels like it or not. And we have iced tea to drink. And I'm trying to think. Oh, I'm going to make deviled eggs. That's what it was. I couldn't think of what the last thing was, but yes, we're going to do deviled eggs. So I'm going to get everything that needs to go in the freezer put away, and I'm going to get cooking. Okay, just got the deviled eggs all made up. Made them really simple. It's got bacon, ranch, salt and pepper, smoked paprika, and mayo. And I'm going to put the lid as soon as I find it. I think it's on top of my washer. And in here I have green beans going, and I've got garlic, bacon, salt and pepper, and that is going. And then the ham is in the oven. And that is for my hash brown casserole. Ham is in the oven. Hash brown casserole's in the oven. Green beans are in the crock pot. Only thing I have left to do is the rolls, but I can't do those until the ham and hash brown casserole get done. And what else was there? Oh yes, deviled eggs are ready. I had to share these with you. Okay, guys, I think I found a new addiction. Our really good friend, Danny, who took us to the grocery store, gave us this bag. Thank you so much, Danny, because now I can't stay out of them. If you guys have not tried these new Mallow Top marshmallow flavored cream with with milk chocolate, peanut butter. Oh my goodness gracious, these are the bomb.com. Casserole, my beer rolls are done. And here is my hammer right here. And then my green beans. So we have a change of plans today. I keep these styrofoam plates things on hand. I'm going to make my father-in-law a plate up. And I have to decide what it is that I'm going to take with me. But my friend called and said that all of their company canceled and they have all this food. And I feel so bad for them. So I told them that we'd come over and have dinner with them at 5 o'clock, and it's like 2:30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make his dad's up. He's cool with it all. It ain't a big deal. I'm going to make up his dad's, and I'm going to take it over to him so he can eat. And then I will figure out what I'm going to do from there. My new door. Very happy with it. It also has the roll screen. It comes down. Just very happy with it. It's got a very nice window, nice and clean. We have arrived back home after being at our friend's house. We had a lot to eat, and we've never been to our friend's house before. So it was the first time, and it was really nice. And I got to meet a friend of mine's dad was there, and we got to meet one of their boyfriends, and it just was really nice. We just had a really good time. Good food. Lots of talking and laughing, and you've seen a clip of a dog, and his name is Buddy. He was very friendly, and Ronnie and I really was taken in by the dog tonight. They also had a cat and 2 birds, and I didn't get any footage of them, but Buddy the dog was our big buddy tonight for real. And so anyways, yeah, so we went over there. We had ham over there. So I still have ham, hash brown casserole, and all the food that I fixed. So tomorrow night, they're all coming over here. We had such a good time that we decided to get together again tomorrow night, but here at my house. So that's what the plan is. So, yeah, so anyways, Ronnie and I just came in. We was out on the front porch, and we was enjoying a little bit of fresh air, but it is cooling down again tonight. We had a beautiful day in the 60s, but tonight it's cooling down again. But it's supposed to be in the 60s again tomorrow, so we'll have some more pretty day. I hope you guys had a fantastic Easter. We certainly did. we just really had a very relaxed day, even though I did cook a lot in the kitchen. Just was no pressure, just very relaxed. Had a nice shopping trip this morning. And then, surprise, surprise, spent the afternoon with our good friends and just had a very good time. And I know Ronnie had a good time. You have a good time, hon? Oh, yeah. He's in the other room. We are getting ready to wrap up the night and go upstairs and get in our pajamas and read and just watch some Netflix or whatever we're going to do and just relax. So I'm going to get this uploaded so you guys can see this tomorrow. I hope you had a great Easter, and I will be seeing you all again soon. Bye, guys.